Nisuwing pa sa kanti ko Don Bosco Media Network ko naram chaksawa, ang Alicia A. Sangman asimang na daan ni Koborrang ko para katinga. Katabi chungrang, Northeast Olympic Games na tarisuan ni ko Chief Minister Niruk Narianga. Ginig pa Northeast Olympic Games haga gani kugo kini ni football kaksusan ni ko abat singata. Nongkrem chokan ni ko Sombarsalo bot na tanga. Liubad arsang ma NPP party ni ukata. Chugmuk pa Koborrang, ginig pa Northeast Olympic Games haga gani kugo kini ko ado ko yajani chikang tari ko ni Shillong Sonjin Mao. Abat na mengon adok ni Skutung Minister Conrad Sangma nukchak na tariswani rangko antangan sumbar salori ange niyaha. Wa Shillong Polytechnic aru nehu o dongchak na tarisogmen biap rangko tuchak na ungemen palang rangko aru chani rangko ri ange niyaha. Skutung Minister Conrad Sangma nehu o na chani ungepa rangko nina riang metengo Sikkim adok ni kalsusana ri bag parang meng asung e wamang na ungepa chani rangko chae niyaha. Conrad Sangma kalsusana ri bag parang ko grunge agan gerkang aha kalchakram biap chaani aru dong chakram biap ko nirok geparang ko ba wagrong aha aru gepanadok ni bag pa kalsusa geparang sakanti kon name nukchak china aru simsak china agan aha.
Food looks good. Money. You want proper info? So nice, it was a great match, but it's tough sometimes. But you guys played very well. Congratulations. I hope you play better in the coming matches, and I hope you have a good time out here. Proud of all of you. You really did well. I just met the Sikkim team also, and they of course were saying that they did very well. These are our guests, right? They're coming from different states. And you can imagine that if you were going to another state, and on a tournament or a game like this, decentralized approach is the best, especially in a really big program like that. The traffic is stuck, route is just 3 hours late. We've seen this too many times. Like
So CCTVs are there?
Yeah, safety is very important. No, even in terms of safety.
Ginigapar Northeast Olympic Games hazagani kulukini ni football kalsusani chi Sumbar Salo Meghalaya adok ni Shillong Sungjinmani Polo Ground no abachingataha. Ya kalsusanios kangapako Meghalaya adok aru Sikkim adok ni gisepo kalsusangaha aru kalsusanyo Meghalaya adok goldo kochpe chegapo ngaha aru Sikkim rang golsa kochpe siyaha. Absan dake Nagaland adok pa Arunachal Pradesh mang kale chegapo ngaha aru Manipur adok pa Assam mang kale chegapa ongangaha. Ginigapar Northeast Olympic Games hazagani kulukini ko yajani chikang tari ko abat chingat kenchimo ba football kalsusani ko skang abat chingat suwenga ya kalsusani na Meghalaya adok ni kalsusa geparang ba atatang ko dengtang kalsusani rang na tariswani ko dakenga. Sumbar Salo nongkrem chokani ba maniani bonkam gapa salko Meghalaya adok ni Smith sungong atangaha ya maniani ba chokani kasirang ni gesa gcha maniani bonga arya maniani ko bulsi antian absan biapo nong atunga. Yamanianyo na adok ni dengtang biap rangu ni mandirang reba e bakur angaha aru dengtang mancha yamaniani ko ni nagapana asung ni mandirang ba reba ha yamanianyo na Meghalaya adok ni Skutung Minister Conrad Sangma ba bakur angaha yamaniani ko tangbang ni rakina nambatat na aru bangbiya mandirang ko yochokanyo na nina salbana managata Skutung Minister yamaniani na tangakro gini kon gen ne kro chakangaha yamanianyo na Skutung Minister paksa adita dadal pamandirang babakur angaha.
In the long run, we have sanctioned 2 crores in the first phase, and I've handed over the sanction letter to our Prime and of Kairim, and at the same time, similarly for the Wedding Clump Festival also, we have improved the infrastructure in Gente Hills in July, and last time 4 crores was sanctioned for that. And similarly, even for the 100 Drums and the Wangala Festival, I'll be announcing on the 12th some sanction for infrastructure development there. So these are the different programs and steps that are being taken, and we will continue to support.
Liubad ar sangmajen NPP party ni achim wa party ni kataha. Kobro ko manani gata di wani party ni kata ni ara wana party ticket unani ko je chakani gemeno unbaksa MDA Sorkar aro NPP party rang chokpot na mamung kontakang jani gemeno aru kuchak kemen katarang ko chuso kachani gemeno kataha. Chokbot constituency o mamang nama school ba medical facility rang dong thokcha. MDA Sorkar jen NPP kudal gapa election na mangmang tole katarang ko akan dami kuchakangen. Hindi ba chuso kat na amjane Leobert sangma akan nangaha.
Kor kuko mibon paratu rugauna ramana divert kanga. Uko ya chokpoto niko ya ko thari chingna nanga ani ko bakha agana chief minister ro mizam mangrong emuna haida wahani geman haida angko ga chakna kata majha kon ani ke muna wa chimnan wa ko gumkon phakwa ta ha apsan da ke ya tikit ko ba binan haido namak sungi mangna ya ko ba
Yan dal na Koborrang ni suwing pa sa kanti kon matela.